slow down. But you know we won't stop now. What about the crooked cops? What about me licking shots? What about the things we do when it comes to holding down the block? What about the big assholes? What about them with no clothes? What about they'll do anything that you want them to show them to do? No matter where we go, there's no one above thee. Akon and Philippine, we running the country. I know you hate to see it, but you can't control us. So take my advice, if you can't beat us, then join us.
What to do, but it's great to me. Yeah, it's okay, no, I got it. You can see my style, Asiatic, do it like nobody ever did. I'm crazy, riding in my car, do what I like and I don't care what they say.
Today,
the past is the past, you know.
About the past, 'cause that was yesterday.
It's a new day, bro.
I'ma put it on
my day. You gotta do it now. It is my time. You can check your iPhone. Better say it's our time. I don't even need a watch. I don't even see a clock. Soon as I walk in, it feel like me o'clock. Yeah, me o'clock. Every time I checks, niggas don't measure up and try to blame the Pyrex. I'ma do it bigger than a 5X. Can't ride with a L, so I don't drive Lex. Game so bickery, so full of trickery. Nursery, rhyming, hickory, dickory, blowing that sour. The hood call it picklery. Biggie, Puffy, Buster, victory. Yes. Don't call it getting dressed, call it in the sky time. If you ain't a pilot, you probably couldn't style it. Unless you was a stewardess, you won't know what to do with this. First I took the time out, then I put the time in. Money ain't everything, it's more about the timing. So I got the Audemars, flawless diamonds. In other words, that's called perfect timing. I feel like a favor, I feel like a savior. They clock in my neck, I feel like I'm flavor. I go so hard, low so God. Damn, street, fit it.
Since I've been here up on this hit streak, how the hell you gonna evict me?